now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. Okay, hello everyone. How are you today? Today, this is the last class, so I just started with the song. The lyrics are quite similar to today's situation, so that's why I sang this song in the beginning. Well, how was it? 처음에요. 오늘 page 96에 있는 the song My Way를 배우도록 할 거예요. So this is kind of special event, and it's quite meaningful. 그 가사도 그렇고 우리가 이때까지 수업해온 내용이랑 되게 비슷한 것 같아요. 이제 열심히 쭉 해왔는데 우리 나름대로 열심히 했다. We did it our ways. 이렇게 생각하면 되겠죠? 그러면 그 노래에 어떻게 가사들이 이어지고 또 거기 보면요. On page 96, there are lyrics of this song, My Way, and there are all just blanks. And we should fill in these blanks. There are two words for each choice. 그 두 개 중에 각각 이제 맞는 단어를 집어넣는 거죠. 이제 물론 we can fill in these blanks after we listen to this music, but also we can fill in this blank like according to the context and according to the right grammar points. 그러니까 그래머를 봐서 넣을 수도 있고요. 그다음에 컨텍스트를 봐서 맞는 걸 넣을 수도 있어요. 자, 그러면요. 첫 번째 파트를 한번 보도록 할게요. 제가 잠깐 속삭이듯 불렀는데요. And now the end is near. Actually, this is our final class, so it's quite right for us. The end is near. And so I blank the final curtain. The final curtain is like this last show. So we are facing the final curtain. Well, here, number one, meet or face. meet 하면 이제 만나는 건데요. 이제 만난다기보다는 여기서는 뭔가 직면하고 있다. 그러니까 그 느낌이 뭔가를 바라보고 있다. 이제 목전에 두고 있다. It's just in front of you. The final curtain is now in front of you, and you are having this last show. So I face the final curtain. 이렇게 되는 거죠. And my friend, I'll say it clear. Well, here, clear, that means clearly. So my friend, I want to say it clearly. I'll say it clear. I will blank my case. Well, here the choices are state or say. Well, here, well, actually, you can say as well. But if you say, then 뭐뭐를 말해라 이거죠. So actually, there were quite many songs. Not many, maybe just a few songs titled Say Yes or something. 그러니까 뭐 say yes 이렇게 해서 한국 노래도 있었잖아요. say yes라고 하는 것이 yes라고 말해죠. 그러니까 say something 하면은 뭔가를 말해라. 그래서 say it 그걸 말해. 그 단어를 말하라는 얘기거든요. 근데 여기서는 my case라고 말해가 아니고 my case에 대해서 진술하라. 즉, talk about your own case. It's not say your case 이렇게 말하면 my case. 이렇게 그 단어를 말하게 된다고요. 그래서 여기서는 state is more appropriate word for this. So I'll state my case. I will talk about my situation, my cases so far, and of which I am certain. Well, here this guy, the singer, is sure about what he had done. 이때까지 해온 것에 대해서 나는 확신한다 이런 얘기인 거죠. 그래서 내 situation, 내가 sure하는 그런 상황에 대해서 얘기하겠다 이런 얘기입니다. And I lived a life that is full. So far I have lived. 이 현재 완료를 썼죠. 뭐냐면 이때까지 계속 그러한 인생을 살았는데 어떤 인생이냐면 that is full. So full of like maybe hopes or we don't know actually, but he just said, well, that's full. 가득한, 뭐 충만한, that was rich or full, 뭐 이 정도가 되겠죠. So I've lived a life that is full. I've and blank each and every highway. 뭐 each and every 하면 같이 쓰여서 그냥 every란 뜻이에요. 각각 의미죠. Each and every highway. So here I've blank. Well, I've is a shortened form of I have, and the lyric just said I have lived. So here, it's again present perfect. I have the choices for this blank, traveled or ridden. Well, actually, ride is a word describing the situation where you sit on something and you control it to move it. So here, actually, you don't really control highway, right? You just travel. So here, traveled is more appropriate. Ridden, then you should say some kind of vehicle. So in this case, not ridden, but traveled. So here, I have traveled each and every highway. Well, here, highway doesn't mean real highway. It's kind of metaphor. 은유죠, 은유. metaphor. 그래서 진짜 무슨 고속도로를 항상 달렸던 것이 아니라 인생의 길을 말하는 거겠죠. 인생의 길. So almost every kind of ways I have lived my life. 이렇게 되겠습니다. 그리고 나서요. 내가 이렇게 I will state my case and I have lived my life that is full. 충만한 삶을 살았고 그 다음에 여러 가지 길을 걸어왔다. 그러나 and more 더 좋은 거, 더한 것 이렇게 나오죠. Much more than this, I did it my way. So here the lyric says, well, this and this and this and this. My life was full and I did many things. I traveled a lot. Well, that's quite a metaphor. 그냥 메타포에 주진하지 않지만 어떤 일을 많이 했다 이런 얘기죠. 그렇지만 more than this, actually you can interpret it as your own way. Well, actually, work of art, if the work of art leaves the artist's hand, now that art is not their art anymore. It is your art, right? So the person who enjoys this art is the owner of the art. So in this case, 이제 가사를 the songwriter가 썼겠지만 그 사람 손에서 이제 벗어난 이상 이제 이건 우리의 art가 되는 거죠. 그래서 우리가 we are the ones who interpret the lyrics our own ways. 우리가 원하는 대로 이제 해석해주면서 우리 나름대로 즐겨주면 되는 거죠. 모든 예술이 그렇듯이. 그래서 여기서도요. 어떤 much more than this, I guess, well, my own way of interpretation of this song. Well, so far I did many things, but more important than this is I did it all my way. I stick to my own way. 내 자신이 내 스스로 해냈다. 내 길대로 했다. 이런 뜻이 되겠어요. 여기까지 한번 들어볼까요? 같이 한번 불러보시죠.
My way.
And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full, I've traveled each and every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way.
Okay, now let's check the next part, okay? Well, actually this song, well, you can find this song in 노래방, in any 노래방. 그 노래방에는 두 가지 그 머신이 있잖아요. 세 가지인가요? 사실, TJ하고 KY. KY에 가면은, 네, 여기 다 있어요. 이 노래방에 있는 노래로 특별히. So that you guys can sing this song in 노래방. 연습해서 노래방에서 한번 불러보시기 바랍니다. 아무튼 이제 일단 next part 들어가도록 하겠어요. Regrets, 후회란 뜻이죠. Regrets, I have had blank. Here the choices a lot or a few. Well, actually here either is okay according to the grammar. 요 상황에서는 아무거나 해도 맞게 되는데요. 그 노래에서는 a few로 나와요. 그 컨텍스트 자체가 well, when I look back on what I have done, yeah, I have a few regrets. Yes. But, and then the lyric says, but then again, that means, oh, no, I'll take that back. Or, oh, on second thought, let me think, like this. So, I have a few regrets. Oh, no. Too few to mention. Too few to mention. So, there are not many. So, it's almost none, he says. Well, he at first thought, maybe I have had a few regrets. No, I don't have regrets. I did it my way. 그 인생에 대해서 he doesn't regret. 후회를 하지 않는다. 후회 좀 있었나? 좀 있었던 것 같아. 아니야, 나는 없었어. 이렇게 얘기하는 거죠. And the next, I did what I here had or wanted. Well, according to the lyrics, the song, well, it's had. Well, actually, grammatically, either is okay, but here, had to do. 뭐뭐 했었어야 했던 것들을 다 했다, 이런 얘기죠. So he did all of his duties in his life and saw it through without exemption. Exemption means exception. So he did all his duties and saw it through. That means he made sure everything was okay. So he did his best, like without exception. 어떤 예외 사항 없이 다 열심히 했다. 이런 얘기가 되겠어요. And I planned each charted course. Well, chart? Well, actually, you guys have seen many charts while we were studying so far. Well, chart 하면 그냥 chart인 거죠. So charted 하면 actually it is kind of fixed or planned in advance. So here, I planned each charted course. He planned things in advance and each careful step or next step and next step like this along the byway. Well, actually, byway is not kind of highway. Byway is some kind of small road that people don't use often. So it's kind of 뭐 샛길 아니면은 뭐 이렇게 잘 사용되지 않는 길 정도가 되겠어요. 그래서 그런 자기는 자기가 좀 샛길로 가는 길 중에서도 많은 계획을 세우고 거기서 조심스럽게 살았다. 뭐 이런 정도가 되겠죠. And much more than this, I did it my way. So here, this part, well, he said, I have some regrets. No, I don't have any regret. And I did all my duties. I did all the things I had to do with my all the best. And I planned everything and along the byway. 힘든 길이지만 잘 살았다. 뭐 이 정도가 되겠죠? 오케이. 이 파트를 한번 다 같이 한번 들으면서 같이 불러볼까요?
Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes.
Okay, and now our next part here. Oh, yes, there were times. Well, here days or times, well, actually either is okay, but times is more appropriate. 그러니까 뭐 몇몇의 날들이 있었다 이럴 때보다는 날 자체보다는 이럴 때도 있었지 이렇게 되는 거니까 times가 좀 더 좀 멋질 것 같아요. Well, of course, you can say, well, yes, there were days. 이렇게 할 수도 있죠. 뭐 그런 날들도 있었어. 근데 이 노래에서는 그런 때도 있었어. 이렇게 되고 있어요. 그래서 yes, there were times. I'm sure you knew. 음치가 되고 있네요. I'm sure you knew. 내가 생각할 때 너는 알고 있다. 이런 얘기죠. 알고 있다. 그러니까 뭘 알고 있냐면요. When I bit off more than I could chew. Well, here, bit off more than I could chew. bite가 나오죠. bite 하면은 이렇게 앙 무는 거잖아요. 그런데 여기서 그 expression으로 알고 있어야 돼요. Well, sometimes when you eat something, you kind of bite some part off and then start chewing. But if you bite too much, then there is too much food in your mouth, so you can't chew at all. 그러니까 얼만큼, well, there's this kind of like food, and you want to eat a lot, so you bite off a lot. But you are not capable to eat it all because it's beyond your capability. 어떤 능력보다, 씹을 수 있는 능력보다 더 많이 물은 것. 그러니까 뭐 욕심은 있는데 자기의 능력보다 더 많이 물은 거 이런 게 되겠어요. 그래서 뭐 역부족이다. 뭐 이런 정도가 되겠어요. Actually, this expression is quite common, so you can use this everywhere. So I bit off more than I could chew. Well, for example, like you planned many things, like your schedule is so tight because you want to work a lot. But actually, you are a human being, so you can't work all day and all night. You need to take a rest. And then you kind of like fall down, and then you realize, I think I bit off more than I could chew. I tried to do more than I could really handle. Okay? So here, he kind of like admits, like, yes, well, there were times like I wanted to do more than I could really do. So I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, that means you went through them all. And when there was doubt, well, when he kind of felt suspicious, I ate it up and spit it out. Well, here, eat it up, well, that means like, I think this part has kind of double meanings. First, here, because the lyric first said, like, I bit off more than I could chew. 뭔가 씹었다 이렇게 나왔으니까 그 씹은 거의 자체에 대해서 더 설명을 해주는 거죠. 그래서 막 못 씹었어. But I tried to eat it all. 그냥 확 삼켰다. 내지는 뱉었다. 너무 많아서. 이렇게 되는 거죠. 그래서 spit it out. ate it up and spit it out. 이렇게 될 수도 있고 이거는 또 각자의 actually it depends on your interpretation, your own interpretation of this song. But this is my own way. So I ate it up and spit it out. Or if you say I ate it up, that means like what you just said. So if you just said some things that you are going to do, then you should do it, right? So you should be responsible for what you just said. Well, here, I added up. That means like I did all the things I told people that I was going to do. 내가 하기로 한 거 다 해냈다. 그러니까 나의 신용을 다 했다. 뭐 이런 얘기로 볼 수 있고요. 그러니까 두 가지 어떤 그러니까 그냥 lyric 그 flow 자체를 보면 뭔가 많이 먹었으니까 많이 씹었으니까 그거를 다 swallow 아니면 뱉거나 이렇게 했다. 내지는 여기서 내가 말한 거 꼭 다 지켰다. 또는 and spit it out. Well, if you say just spit it out, that means like okay, let's say you and your friend are talking about some problem, but you are kind of hesitating because maybe you are worried of the consequence. I don't know. So you are kind of hesitating. I don't know if I can tell you this. Like this. Then your friend might say, like, oh, spit it out. What are you getting at? 뭐 말하려는 건데? 말해 그냥 내뱉어. spit it out. 이렇게 말할 수 있어요. 그래서 여기서는 뭐 말 안 하고 참고 다 그냥 참고 있었다. 아니면 그러다가 또 말했다. 뭐 이런 뜻도 될 수 있고 여러 가지 의미로 사실 그 lyrics가 사실 art이잖아요. 그 art는 다 해석하기 나름이니까. 자, 그런 식으로 봐주시면 되겠고요. 그 다음에 I faced it all. Well, face means you are just are in front of this thing that is going to happen to you. So I faced it all and I stood tall. Well, here, actually, the choices like tall or up. Well, stood up, that means like you stood up. 이게 일어서는 the action of standing up. But if you say tall here, stood tall, that means like you try to be strong, like stood, but stood straight. But this way, you are still standing, but you are not standing straight up. But here, I stood tall. Like I tried to be strong in spite of all the hardships, all the ordeals that he had to go through. 그러니까 어떤 어려움에도 꿋꿋이 견뎠다. 이 정도가 되겠죠? 꿋꿋이 견뎌내려고 했다. 꿋꿋이 서 있으려고 했다. 이런 얘기죠. 그리고는 and did it my way. So I faced it all and I stood tall and did it my way. 되겠어요? Okay, let's listen to this.
Yes, there were times I'm sure you knew when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all and I stood tall and did it my way. I've loved and cried.
Okay, next part. Well, here, I've loved, I've laughed and cried. I've had my fill, my share of losing, and now has tears subside. Well, actually, when I sing this part, it's really, really sad. Well, at first, I have loved, yes, I have loved, and I have laughed, and cried in my life. I have had my fill. Well, here, fill, well, actually, it's quite like poetic. 시적인 표현을 좀 많이 썼어요. I have had, 뭐뭐 해왔다 이런 얘기잖아요. My fill 하면은 fill actually it's a verb, 뭔가 채우다라는 뜻의 동사인데 여기서는 이제 명사로서 쓰였어요. 나는 내가 충만한 것을 내 자신이 가져왔다. So actually you can interpret this like I have had enough. Like I don't know, we don't know what it was, but I guess everyone has their own like hopes or their own ambitions or whatever. So here, I've had my fill. Well, sometimes I have had my ambitions filled enough, or I don't know. 그러니까 난 충분히 가졌었어. 뭐든지. Actually, it's up to you. And my share of losing. 어떤 때는 많이 채웠고, 어떤 때는 내가 잃을 만큼 또 잃었다. My share 하면 나의 몫이란 뜻이죠. 그래서 어떨 때는 채웠고 어떨 때는 잃었어. 가질 땐 가지고 잃을 땐 잃었다. 그 다음 거. And now as tears subside. Well, subside means like it becomes less strong or it kind of goes away. So tears go away. Well, now that my tears go away. Now that my tears are all dried up. Well, so far, I have cried. 이때까지는 좀 울었는데 다시 생각해보니 이제 그 눈물이 다 마르려고 하니까. That means like well, this guy like has been through all the hardships, and now he can just look back on what he has done, and well, yes, like this. 뭐 괜찮았어. 뭐 이렇게 뒤돌아보는 거죠. 그래서 이제 눈물이 다 마르려고 하니까 I find it all so amusing. Well, here 지금 이제 눈물 마르기 전에는 actually, well, if you cry, it is sad, right? But he says now that I don't cry anymore, all the bad things that happened in my life feels now kind of amusing. It's even amusing. 예전에는 힘들었던 일이 다시 생각해보니까 뭐 즐거웠던 일이군. 아니면 뭐 심지어 우기기까지 하곤 그랬었지. 뭐 이런 얘기인 거죠. 네, 그래서 이 부분 제 생각에는 it's so heartbreaking. 뭐 가슴이 찢어지지 않으세요? 나는 막 하면서 눈물 마르면서 막 어뮤징 했었지. 뭐 이렇게요. 자, 그 다음에요. To think I did all that. Well, 여기서 이제 to가 나오잖아요. 그러니까 when you sing an English song, well, sometimes it's a bit difficult to understand why this person used this kind of grammar here. But it's because it's lyric. 그 가사이기 때문인 거죠. 그러니까 어떻게 막 그래마로 했을 때 주어하고 동사가 딱 맞춰서 나와야지. 근데 사실 그러지 않는 경우가 아주 태반이죠. Even in Korean songs, sometimes you can't understand. Well, you can kind of like listen, like you can kind of catch a few words here and there, but sometimes they don't make sense at all. Just some random words sometimes. Or just this kind of story and then just jumps to another totally different story sometimes. So just think this is just lyric. 그러니까 여기서는 to를 굳이 부부정사의 명사적, 형용사적, 부사적 용법 중에 무엇일까? 이런 걸 굳이 따질 필요가 없는 거예요. 그냥 느껴주면 됩니다. 뭐뭐 하는 것 이렇게. 아니면 또 운율을 맞추기 위해서 그냥 to를 넣는 경우도 있거든요. 그러니까 굳이 이렇게 해석하려고 하지 말고 그냥 느낌만 느껴주면 되겠어요. 그래서 to think I did all that 뭐 이 정도 같으면 내가 생각하기에 난 모든 걸 다 했어. 뭐 이 정도 그 정도로 생각해 주시면 되겠습니다. So I did all that and may I say that like this person is like hoping 이렇게 되기를 뭐 이런 얘기죠. Not in a shy way. Well, actually here may I say, this person says like, may I say, so it feels like this person is kind of making a wish or something, but according to the context, this guy is already like sure that he's not shy at all. 그러니까 자기 자신은 이미 이렇게 shy way라고 했는데 여기서는 it's kind of timid way. 뭔가 자신감 없이 이렇게 기어 들어가는 목소리로 나 잘했나 뭐 이렇게 말하지 않길 바랍니다 라고 말은 했지만요 실제로 자기 자신은 이미 he's already sure that he doesn't need to talk, he doesn't need to explain what he had done in a shy way. 기죽은 듯이 말할 필요가 없다. 나는 당당해. 나는 내가 하는 일을 내 스스로의 방식대로 했어. 이렇게 우리가 느낄 수가 있죠. 말은 이렇게 해도 자기 스스로 뭐뭐 하기를 했지만 나는 그거 해. 뭐 이런 얘기죠. 자, 그 다음에요. Oh no, not me. Well, that is like, no, not me. Well, I'm not gonna talk about my things in a shy way. No, not me. Because I did it my way. Okay, for what is a man, what has he got? 여기서요, what is a man? For what is a man and what has he got? 그 남자, 어떤 사람이란 뜻이죠. 뭐 굳이 남자가 아니더라도. 그러니까 이 사람을 걸고, 그러니까 내가 가진 것을 걸고라고 정도로 생각해 주면 되겠어요. 그래서 for what I have got, for what I am. 내 가진 것을 걸고, 내 자신을 걸고, 내가 뭘 가졌을까? 이런 얘기 정도가 되겠죠. 자, 그 다음에요. If not himself, well, what has he got? Well, I don't know. And then he says, if not himself, then he has not. Well, first, nothing or not here, but according to this lyrics, it's not. Well, not means zero or none. So, 그 자신을 걸고 뭘 가졌을까? 그런데 그 다음 답이 곧장 나오는 거죠. If not himself. If it is not himself, then what else? What else does he have? Well, because the answer is it's himself. What he has is himself. 그가 가진 것은 그 자신이다. 이런 얘기죠. 그래서 누가 너를 어떻게 뺏어 가려고 하여도 no matter what happens, like no matter what kind of people try to like steal some things or take away things from you, still there's one thing that they can never get rid of from you, and which is yourself. 더 뺏어가려고 하여도 절대 불가능한 거. 그거는 당신 자신입니다. 이런 얘기인 거죠. 그러니까 내 자신이다. 이런 얘기인 거죠. 그래서 만약에 그 사람이 아니라면 그건 아무것도 가진 것이 없다. Not. Like he's zero. He's none. 이런 얘기입니다. And to say the things he truly here feels. 여기서 이제 to도 그냥 말했네, 뭐 이 정도로 생각해 주세요. 그래서 he truly feels. He didn't hide or he didn't lie about what he felt. So he just said the things he really felt. 느끼는 걸 그대로 말했다. 이런 얘기죠. And not the words of one who kneels. Well, kneel here, kneel means like you are down on your knees. So, not the words. So, his own words. He said his own words, not the words from others who are stronger than him. Like here, who kneels. Well, actually, there should be two at the end. Who kneels to. 그러니까 누군가에게 이렇게 좀 복종하는 하면은 이게 막 문법적으로 따지고 들자면은 이제 to를 넣어줘야 되는데요. 그러지 않아도 말이 되는 거죠. 노래니까. 그래서 자기가 진짜 원하는 것을 말했다. 느끼는 그대로. 뭐 강자 뭐 이런 것 때문에 강자의 말을 한 것이 아니라 I did it my way. 거죠. So the record shows, the record, that is kind of a history. So the record of my own details so far shows that I took the blows. Well, here blow means punch, like punches. So I took the blows. I took the punches from people or from the world or whatever. That means he took all the hardship, like trouble, like problems and ordeals in his life. 그러니까 이때까지 내가 살아온 길을 봐라. 나는 어려움, 인생의 어려움들 다 내가 맞짱 떴어. 맞짱까지는 아니더라도 해냈다. 뭐 이 정도가 되겠죠. And 그렇게 받아들이고 and plus I did it my way and yes, it was my way. 그죠? 자, 그러면 여기까지 이제 살펴봤는데요. Well, this time let's listen to the whole song together and please this time like sing along. Okay? Well, just imagine you guys are in 노래방이나 뭐 어떤 시츄에이션에 있다고 생각을 하시고 감정이입 해서 이 노래를 같이 한번 불러보시기 바랍니다. Okay, let's listen to the whole song.
My way.
And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full, I've traveled each and every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew, but through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall and did it my I've laughed and cried. I've had my fill, my share of losing. And now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me, I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels, and not the words of one who kneels. The record shows I took the blows and did it my way.
Okay, so how was the song? Well, in the beginning of this session, in the first class, do you remember what I said? Like I said, let's go swimming in the ocean of English. And so far, we've swum, well, until this moment. 이때까지 계속 같이 함께 어떤 하이를 해온 느낌인데요. 어떠셨나요? 이 노래를 이제 들으니까 되게 우리에게 딱 와닿는 느낌이 들어요. 이제 the end is right near. Well, so we are just facing the final curtain. And well, I guess, I have some regrets, a few, but not that again. Well, I guess not that many. Too few to mention. Well, how about you guys? 인생에서도 이때까지 이 코र्스 자체에서도 어떤 maybe you guys have a few regrets, but I hope you have no regret at all in your life. 인생에서는 후회 없게 열심히 공부하고 사시길 바라고요. 그리고 이 또 노래가 인생 다 살았다 뭐 이런 거라기보담도 이때까지 이렇게 열심히 살았는데 즐겁게 더 잘 살아보자. 여기서도 우리 열심히 공부했는데 여기서 끝나지 않고 앞으로도 더 열심히 공부하시고 또 기회가 되면 저와 함께 다시 공부할 수 있는 기회가 됐으면 하겠습니다. 자, 그러면요 여러분 이 노래 들으시면서 끝내도록 할게요. Okay, have a good day, have a good life. Bye.